is up for a bit of audience participation. With the song. Right, it goes like this. Just sing it along right away.